So tonight we're going to head on over to a different sort of recipe. It's not a soup, it's not a stew, but it's vegan chili. So get out your pens if you're interested, or just check through the transcript, or just give a listen. Back in a minute. Hi, this is Jan from New York City, and I love helping people to keep some more of their hard-earned money. And on Monday nights, I like to share some soup recipes, sometimes stew, sometimes chili. In this case, it's vegan chili. Look at the picture, if you could see it, I hope. And it comes from this book. There you go. So get out your pens or read the transcript or just give a listen. Put on my teacher glasses. The vegan chili serves 6 people. The total time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay. Boy, that picture looks so good. Here's what you're going to need. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. 2 bell peppers diced. 1 large onion chopped. 2 stalks of celery sliced. I'm sorry, diced, excuse me, diced. 3 cloves of garlic minced. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. 1 12-ounce bottle of Mexican lager. 1 large sweet potato cut into 1/2-inch cubes. I love sweet potato. How about you guys? 1 15-ounce can of black beans drained and rinsed. 1 15-ounce can of pinto beans drained and rinsed. 1 28-ounce can of diced fire-roasted tomatoes. 2 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth. 1 avocado sliced. Thinly sliced green onions, and lime wedges. In a large pot, heat olive oil under medium heat. Add the peppers, onions, celery, and cook until softened, 3 to 4 minutes. Add the garlic, chili powder, paprika, cumin, oregano, and saute until fragrant for about 1 to 2 minutes more. Season with salt and pepper. Add beef and cook until it has been reduced by half, about 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the sweet potato, black and pinto beans, tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Stir and bring to a boil. Then reduce to a simmer and cook until slightly reduced and sweet potatoes are cooked through for about 30 to 35 minutes. Garnish with avocado and green onions and serve with lime wedges. Wow, here's a picture again. There you go. Let me try to get a better shot there. There you go. Yum. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good. And you know, it's such a nice break from like meat. Even though we might like meat, some viewers may enjoy meat, but sometimes want a little bit of a break from it. And for those who don't care for meat, well, that recipe is absolutely for you. And it's very affordable, and it seems very easy to do. There you go, especially on these chilly nights. I love having stuff like that available at home, because if I want something to eat for lunch, for example, in the middle of my work day, I don't ever order in stuff. I just get some of that stuff, heat it up, have maybe a piece of fruit, and I am totally happy. You know, all of us should really do more of what this lady does. If you found any value in this video, thank you so much for smashing down the like button. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Take good care now. Bye-bye.